Biking in nature. A mountain bike is a lot different. You can from a regular bike. Regular bikes are easy to ride when you're on a flat, smooth road. However, most regular bicycles are not useful if you ride off-road. 離開條馬路 off-road. Riding off-road means leaving regular roads and riding on rough grounds. 踩一啲鞋霎霎、凹凸不平嘅路 rough ground. Riding off-road can be done in the mountains. Can be done 第三類動詞搭一個被動句 be 加 be. The forest, on the beach, and so on. When you ride off the road, you need a mountain bike. Mountain bikes are much stronger than regular bikes. They have larger, thicker tires,車胎 tires. They have much better brakes. 剎掣系統啊，剎車系統 brakes. These are just a few of the differences. 呢度需要個名詞，所以佢要將 ENT 轉咗 CE 尾，呢度需要名詞句尾。All of this is very important when you go off-road. If you ride off-road on a regular bike, your bike might not be strong enough. 第三類動詞可能。Even if your bike is strong enough, you likely bounce a lot. 彈跳得好犀利 bounce a lot, around a lot. You might not be able to climb hills or ride over difficult ground. A mountain bike's large tires will help you to go over rocks and branches,樹枝. When you go down a hill, a mountain bike's strong brakes will help you to stop faster. Help 特別用原式，乜都唔搞，唔用 to， 唔用 ing。作兩句俾我。I help you do homework. I help you play the piano. Help 後邊跟原式。A mountain bike has another essential advantage. Essential 即係重要咯，即係 important 或者 vital。When you are off-road, the mountain bike won't bounce much. Mountain bikes have a special design that makes riding them much smoother. There are many different kinds of mountain bikes. Cross-country bikes are good for long rides. When you only ride off-road sometimes, all mountain bikes are perfect for mountains because they're good at 後邊跟 ing 因為 at 係 preposition. Good 係形容詞，所以擺喺 be 後邊。They are good at. I am good at teaching English. You're good at doing sports. Be good at 作兩句面。Trail bikes are good for biking on mountain bike trails. And downhill bikes are very fast, so they are good for races. 留意車有唔同嘅種類啊 ，mountain bikes 都有分幾種。Mountain biking keeps you strong and thin. It lets you leave bike trails and see more of nature. It helps you have adventures. If you don't have a mountain bike, you can't do these things. Riding on a regular bike is a lot of fun, but a lot of people say mountain biking is even better. After you try mountain biking, you might never want to ride a regular bike again. 呢篇文講到點解啲人啊，尤其是外國人啦，係好中意喺森林啊或者即係non馬路唔係馬路嘅地方踩單車。咁佢第一段咧就講咗 off-road 何為 off-road， 之後就係 off-road 需要啲乜嘢，然後咧你會見到係乜嘢？就係 off-road 點解 off-road 你需要嗰啲單車？因為你係需要 climb hills 啊，你要 go over rocks and branches 啊，跟住你要 stop faster 啊，亦都唔可以 bounce 咁多啦。當你 bounce 得多嘅時候，你好容易失去平衡啊 ，lose balance。lose balance 咁咪會 fall 咯，咁即係炒車咯。咁所以你見 mountain bike 係比較大嚿啲同埋重啲嘅，同埋啲避震會好啲嘅。另外 mountain bikes 佢介紹咗好多唔同種類啦。咁你要玩 mountain bike 有咩好處咧？而最尾佢都講比起踩馬路或者踩單車徑有乜分別？黃 sir 都有踩嘅，不過呢幾年少啦，早幾年都會去水塘附近踩，的而且確係非常之舒服。第一。通常你喺山度踩咧係看似係危險啲，但係其實咧唔太危險嘅，只要你訓練係足夠。咁所謂訓練足夠，你就要 keep 個 balance keep 得好好，隻腳點擺你要知咧。當然你單車都要 keep 好嘅狀態。另外第二就係其實嗰度啲空氣真係好新鮮嘅，好 fresh 嘅。你去個乜乜水塘或水塘附近嗰啲單車公園踩過，你就會明我講乜嘢。啲空氣係非常之清新。 第三就係玩呢啲運動係 challenging， 咁 challenging 嘅得着就係你會有成功感 satisfaction， 係啦，咁所以有機會你中意，我知道部分同學仔都好中意踩單車，咁你平時要練咯，鍛鍊自己嘅單車，跟住一步一步一步玩唔同類型嘅單車，唔同路線，唔同地方。好簡單，今日呢一段圈晒3類嘅詞俾我，同埋寫2段，話俾黃sir聽呢篇文佢嘅重點係啲乜，你又學咗啲乜，今日係咁多，加油！